If theta is the angle between the pair of tangents drawn from the point 0, 7/2 to the circle x square plus y square minus 14x plus 16y plus 88 is equal to 0, what is tan theta? We can invent circle equation. I know trick 1 is to find center and radius. We find center and radius. I'll worry about everything else after that. I'm going to write this as x square minus 14x plus 49, y square plus 16y plus 64 equals 49 plus 64 minus 88. What am I doing here? I'm completing the square, That means we had 49 and 64 this side. We have to add 49 and 64 that side. This is a plus 88, that becomes minus 88. So this becomes x minus 7 the whole square plus y plus 8 the whole square equal to 64 minus 88 is 24, 49 minus 24 is 25. I really like this because it is 5 square. This is a circle with center 7, minus 8 and radius 5. 7, minus 8, radius 5. For this we are drawing tangents from 0, 7/2. Let's draw this. So let's say we draw this. minus 8. 7, minus 8 is somewhere here. Here we draw a circle. Center 7, minus 8, radius equal to 5. 7 units to the right, 8 units below. 7, minus 8 is this, right? Radius is 5. Where are we drawing a circle from 0 to 0, 7/2, 0, 3.5. From here, we draw a tangent like this. Nice, lovely, interesting, brilliant. We want to find this angle theta. So what do? We draw the line from here to here. The center O. Let's say this is P, this is Q. This is a point T. TP and TQ are tangents. OQ is perpendicular to TQ. And so TQO is a right angle triangle. We know OQ is 5. We know we can find OT, which means we can find TQ, which means we can find this angle, which is theta by 2. This angle will also be theta by 2. These two are congruent triangles. So what do? We think about this triangle TOQ. OQ is 5. Now we think about TQ. We find TQ, we find OQ, and then we say, hey, very interesting, this is 90, this is theta, this is 90, this is a hypotenuse. We know OQ by TQ is tan of theta by 2. We'll get to tan of theta by 2, then we'll worry about tan theta. And so how do we find TQ? Just distance formula. So this TQ is square root of 7 square plus 7/2 minus 8. 8 plus. Okay, we cannot find TQ, we are finding TO. From here to here, TO is 7 square plus 3.5 plus 8, 11.5 square. Whatever this comes out to, we know OQ. We cannot find TQ, we can find TO and OQ. And so TO is this, OQ is 5. We know that TQ square plus QO square equals TO square. How? Pythagoras theorem. This angle is 90. TQ square plus QO square is TO square. And so we know TO is square root of 7 square plus 11.5 square. Therefore, we can find TQ using that. And so how do we find that? TO square minus QO square is this, is TQ square. So what do we do here? We say, hey, TQ square equals TO square minus QO square. TO square is 7 square plus 11.5 square. This is 5 square. We simplify and find this number. Then we'll take it from there. 11.5 square, and I can think of it as 23 by 2 square. This is 7 square and that is 5 square, or I can think in terms of 11.5 the whole square, one of the two. This is 49, this is 25, this is 24. It's getting added. 11.5 square is 23 by 2 whole square plus 24. This is 529 by 4 plus 24. I'm going to call this 96 by 4. 6 plus 9, 15, 5, 1, 3 plus 9, 12, 2, 1, 625 by 4. So TQ square is 625 by 4. TQ is 25 by 2, which is 12.5. Which is very helpful. Nice that it is a nice rational number, if not an integer. TQ is 12.5. We're back here. This is fine. This is 12.5. So tan theta by 2, tan of theta by 2 is opposite by adjacent, 5 by 12.5. 2 by 5. So tan of theta by 2 is 2 by 5. We need to find tan theta. That we know. Tan theta is 2 tan theta by 2 by 1 minus tan square theta by 2. This is 2 times 2 by 5 by 1 minus 2 by 5 whole square, which is 4 by 25. This is 4 by 5 by 21 by 25. Four by 5 into 25 by 21. 20 by 21. Hopefully that's there in our choices. Yes, it is there. That's our answer. Wonderful question, but a pain in the neck because you have to compute a lot. And first of all, we draw the diagram, get it right, find the distance from from where the tangent begins to center of the circle, radius, find length of the tangent. Once we know length of the tangent, we can find tan of theta by 2. Then we find tan of theta. And pain in the neck, doable, time consuming.